We're back today with another episode of Installation Insiders. This is the YCS team. Today we want to get into an overview of our ground vapor barrier products, and we want to talk about how to choose which vapor barrier is right for your crawl space. Benny, can you tell us a little bit more about the different ground vapor barriers that YCS offers and the different applications for each?
Yeah, so to start with, none of our products will off-gas or develop smells in a crawl space. That's probably the number one concern for most people. The other thing that's interesting is none of these products will promote or grow mold on the surface. So those two things are kept in mind for all of our products. We have 100% poly-reinforced products at 8 mil, 14 mil, 16 mil, 20 mil. We have a 36 mil and 45 mil drain mat product and a 100 mil foam coated product.
Any of our reinforced vapor barrier products, the 8 mil, 14, 16, or 20, can be used in any crawl space encapsulation project or as a simple vapor barrier. Our drain mat products, our 36 mil and our 45 mil felt backed liners should be used in either wet or rough crawl spaces. For more episodes of Installation Insiders, visit our website or give us a call today to speak with a crawl space expert.